with me, Kanishka Sarkar and Ankita Saxena. Now let's get back to some more news stories. Now the Parliamentary Select Committee is appointed to review the new Income Tax Bill 2025 that is proposed by the government, that has retained the provisions in the new bill empowering tax officials to access forcibly, if necessary, the social media and private emails of people they are conducting search and seizure operations on. Now my colleague Sumita Karir is now joining us with more details.
That's right. In its report tabled in the Parliament, in fact, the Parliamentary Select Committee has retained various provisions of the Income Tax Bill, which were criticised earlier when the bill was first tabled in the Parliament. In fact, reportedly, the bill retains some very controversial procedures and processes and provisions that reportedly grants tax authorities the power to access, even if by force, if needed, to access the social media and private emails of individuals under investigation when search and seizure procedures are going on. In fact, the government aims at streamlining and, of course, rationalizing the existing Income Tax Act along with many of its amendments that have been made through the years. And this particular provision with respect to search operations and accessing the emails, that has gotten a wide variety of criticism from several quarters. In fact, what we are given to understand as per the provisions of the bill, any concerned person is bound to give reasonable, technical and other assistance as may be necessary to the designated income tax officer to check any information, electronic records and communication or data that's been contained on such computer systems. And of course, there are privacy concerns that are rising and that are, of course, being talked about. The fact that they will access, the right to access, will override the access code to any said computer system or virtual digital space.
All right, moving on, and then